Here's a quick and simple approach to customize the Photos app in iOS 18, making it resemble the layout of iOS 17. If the new gallery design feels too crowded, you can easily simplify it for a cleaner and more familiar experience. The updated Photos app in iOS 18 introduces a single scroll interface that consolidates albums, recent days, people, trips, featured photos, and other collections. While some find this convenient, others may prefer a less cluttered interface. Fortunately, the app offers full customization, allowing you to tailor it to your preferences. To customize, first open the Photos app and scroll to the bottom where you'll find the Customize and Reorder option. Tap on this, and you'll be able to rearrange sections by pressing and dragging the 3 lines on the right next to each item. Simplify the layout by enabling only the sections you prefer. For example, you might want to keep albums, media types, shared albums, utilities, and possibly people and pets. Arrange these in your desired order, and uncheck the sections you don't need. After customizing, tap the X in the top right corner to exit and review the new layout. If you're not satisfied, you can repeat the process by going back to Customize and Reorder to further tweak the options. This process helps declutter the Photos app and can make it feel more familiar, resembling the design of previous versions.